the lay of the land around this Atherton Tablelands, which is average about 550 to 600 metres above sea level. The water is fed by a nearby dam called Tinaroo Dam, and it has channels feeding off that to distribute water through the Atherton Tablelands from around this area all the way out to Dimbula, because the water is the source of life for growing, and they need a lot of water and a lot of power to distribute that water. Predominantly they're VSD drive pump with a big motor. The motor's a 90 kilowatt motor. They've just upgraded their piping network from a 6-inch to an 8-inch, less drag by 25%, so less power by 25%. That coupled with a solar system, they think that they're going to reduce or negate potentially up to 80% of their bill, because they're going to be able to irrigate in shorter bursts during the peak periods of 9 till 3 during the day. One of the main reasons for solar on this site was to cover, this is one of their biggest energy consumption, is just this site here, for their main pump drawing from the Tinaroo channel here. So they need to make sure they cover it, because sometimes they can run for 10 to 12 hours every day, especially in the dry season, as we're nearing the end of the wet now, being mid-March, and in about 6 weeks they'll be constantly irrigating at least 10 to 14 hours every day. They have other farms very close by, within 5-10 minutes drive, which has got many thousands of avocado trees at different maturity, and as the trees mature require a vast amount of water, and also a lot of storage and packing as well. Solar is definitely the solution for that. Some people in certain areas have looked at other, like wind, and you might have noticed in the Atherton Tablelands there's wind power, which is also quite a stable supply, but people want to control their own benefit, and wind is too expensive for most people, and solar's an absolute no-brainer for that.